What's up, YouTubers? If you're here to fix your backup camera in the sense of giving it a nice clean because it started looking like this, where you can't make anything out, usually happens with rain, weather, snow, here's what you need to do and here's what you need to not do. So first, you need to get your materials. Soft micro cloth. This is from Carrying for Glasses Pocket, micro lens, soft. What you need to avoid, most important, are these typical cleaning products for glass and mirror because they contain solvent. If your cleaner, which is a typical glass cleaner, has any type of solvent, it's a no-go. Here's what you need to do other than that. Let's take you to the camera. In the back of the car, you want to locate where your backup camera is. On my Jetta, you will find it right here in the back or in the trunk area. It's gonna be right over here is the camera, and as you can see, it's all crusted up and has a lot of salt on it. That's why I can't see well through it. The simplest way to clean it: take this microcloth that you had and room temperature water, not warm, not hot, can't do that either. Dab a little bit onto the microcloth, get a little wet so we could get some of the stuff off first. So we're gonna come over with that wet part. We're just gonna gently dab it. Don't go back and forth too much to get a little bit of that water on it. And then we're gonna take a dry part and clean it off. As you can see, the housing is now way cleaner. You'll see the difference in the image quality, and we can go from there. Simple water, not cold, not hot, not warm, room temperature water on your microcloth. This is gonna be now a dedicated microcloth to cleaning my backup camera. As you can see, I got off the dirt with the dry side, and let's go see the results. All right, here we go. And I'm just gonna put it back in reverse. And as you can see, completely different. This is what you want your image to look like. What you saw earlier is dangerous and not helpful. Like, share, subscribe. See you on the next one.